Hi guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Me, still sick. I actually woke up this morning, couldn't even hear anything out of my left ear, so I don't know what's going on here. But anyways, guys, besides that, I do have a possible future sneak peek for a future Boxycharm box. Now, this was posted on Joe's story earlier, and I also seen it at Boxycharm Sneak Peek, and this is both on Instagram, so I will put them in here somewhere where I found them. And so I'm going to tell you what the sneak peek is first and show you a couple of shots of it, and then I'm going to show you Joe's Instagram post where they were unboxing it. Okay, it is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Grail, and this is a ultra hydrating face oil. This is valued at $48. Now, it is luxuriously lightweight face oil for ultimate hydration and glow. It's an antioxidant rich, fast absorbing miracle worker, revitalizes skin and helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles. First of all, this stuff looks amazing. I would not mind trying this. Really, honestly, I wouldn't. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you a piece of the clip.
Jeez, I love this company. Oh my God. Morning, Eric. How are you?
Morning.
We're back. Look at this, guys. Tell them.
So this is Honey Grail. It's a hydrating face oil. I can't open it, but look how cute. This honey that they sent is actually in their Honey Grail product. Isn't that so cute? And it's 100% raw, all natural honey.
I'm obsessed with honey, actually. Seriously, I mean, I like sweet. So,
that's true.
Whenever I see honey, I can
so
just
cute.
chug the whole thing, so give it to me.
Okay, guys, now if you, I don't know how many people got this or if it was just on his Instagram, but this was in a most recent survey or a Boxycharm survey, and they asked if you wanted a facial oil, and now they're unboxing this Pharmacy Beauty item. So I'm pretty sure, you know, everybody could put one and one together. You know, Joe tries to be sneaky, but, you know, we always catch him. We always catch him on what he's doing. So anyways, guys, that is the end of this video. Make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, make sure you rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It don't really matter. As long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos, that's all that counts. And another thing, one more thing before you leave, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.